Welcome users. Multispan presents to you the new model of our motor protection device, MPD 192. In this model, we have introduced several new features like user-selectable trip timing, auto and manual modes, ZVR function, true RMS measurements. This model is equipped with protection features against overcurrent, undercurrent, overvoltage, and undervoltage simultaneously. This model offers flexibility. Users can check measurement of input voltage between 30 to 300 voltage for line to neutral and 50 to 520 voltage for line to line voltage. CT ratio is also selectable from 5 to 6000 amperes. Network selection can be done by users choosing between 3-phase, 3-wire and 3-phase, 4-wire. Users can adjust trip settings too accordingly. This model also provides two relay options for output selection. The first relay is for tripping and works at 10 amps 250 VAC. The second relay is alarm and works at 5 amps 250 VAC. How to install the MPD 192. 1. Cut out a 92 by 90 mm panel and fit the unit with the clamp given. Connect the load to terminals as shown. Next, if the user chooses 3-phase, 4-wire network mode, this menu is shown. This is the voltage line to neutral page, line to line page, amp page, frequency page. If the user chooses 3-phase, 3-wire network mode, this menu is shown. This is the line-to-line voltage page, amp page, frequency page, kiloampere page. In case any fault is detected, these fault messages are displayed on the controller screen. This is the kiloampere page. Moving on to parameter settings, to set the parameters of the controller, long press the set key until the display shows the 0 message is shown. For viewing the options for network selection, long press the set key once again till the 0 message appears. Then enter 39 value as the password. On this page, the user can enter the primary CT ratio. Press the set key to move forward. In this parameter, the user needs to select phase connection 3-phase 3-wire or 3-phase 4-wire. After selection, press the set key. Next, enter the password 19 to enter the parameter settings. Press the set key to go into the next parameter. In this display, user can see power on and time parameter where user can set time from 0 to 99 seconds. Here, the user can set the initial delay time. After selecting, press the set key to proceed. On this page, the user can enable or disable the undercurrent parameter. Press the set key to go to the next parameter. On enabling undercurrent mode, this page will pop up. Again, press the set key to carry on. You can also set the undercurrent delay time when the undercurrent mode is enabled. Press the set key once again. Next, we have the overcurrent parameter, which is analogous to the undercurrent. If enabled, here you can view the value and here the delay time can be set. The new parameter here is the overcurrent trip and curve on time. After setting these as per choice, press the set key. Time parameter display. Curve parameter display. Next, we have the overvoltage page. Enable or disable as per requirement and press the set key. If enabled, the user will also have to set the overvoltage value. Here, overvoltage time is set. Then press the set key. Similar to overvoltage, next is undervoltage. Enable or disable as needed. If enable mode is on, set the undervoltage value. Now set under voltage time and press the set key to proceed. Next, we have under frequency mode. Enable or disable and press the set key. If enabled, this page will pop up. Select the under frequency value and proceed by pressing the set key. Here, set under frequency time is needed and press the set key. Now, we have the over frequency page. Enable or disable is needed and press the set key. Just like the under frequency pages, if enabled, we have the over frequency value setting and over frequency time setting. Press the set key to exit. For advanced parameter settings, long press the set key again until 0 is displayed. Then enter 29 to open advanced parameter mode. The first setting is single phase prevention. Enable or disable, then press the set key. If enabled, select tripping on voltage or current, then press the set key to move on. This page is for single phase prevention time, set as needed. In this display, if enable, user can see short circuit and enable, disable parameter. In this display, user can see short circuit and scale parameter where user can set scale from 1 to 9. Next, we have the lock rotor point setting. Enable or disable is required, then press the set key. On enabling, the lock rotor point scale selection page pops up which ranges from 0.5 to 9.0. On this page, the user can enable or disable unbalanced mode. If enabled, decide on the unbalanced percentage, from 5 to 60%. Here, the user can select delay time as needed. Next, the user can enable or disable phase loss mode. On this page, the user can enable or disable phase sequence mode. To set scrolling time, long press the set key to reach the familiar 0 message. Enter 59 as the password and press the set key. Now, select scrolling time as per the requirements up to 1 to 99 seconds. To reset auto, manual and ZVR modes, press up and down keys together, then press the set key. If reset mode is auto, ZVR user see this display, then press the set key. Initial trigger voltage and current selection. ZVR user see this. On this display setting, user can see relay 1, fault and on/off option. On this display setting, user can see relay 2, fault and on/off option. This page is for PFM power fault memory. Pick yes or no as needed, then press the set key to save and exit. Finally, your device is all set up and ready for use. For any queries, contact us via phone or mail at your convenience. Thank you.